If you're experiencing crashing issues with Call of Duty, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your game running smoothly again. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Visit the official website or the game's packaging for the specifications needed to run Call of Duty. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Battle.net, you can verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. Look for the option in the game settings or library. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Sometimes high settings can lead to crashes, especially if your hardware is not capable of handling them. Start with lower settings and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 5. Disable background applications. Certain background applications can interfere with the game. Close unnecessary programs running in the background, especially overlays, recording software, or other resource-intensive applications before launching Call of Duty. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider seeking help from the game's support forums or customer service for further assistance.